Hello, in this notebook we will be using the k-means clustering on IS dataset in order to classify its object into several groups. First, we import the required libraries such as pandas for data handling, pyplot for visualization, and from sklearn cluster we will import k-means, which will be used as a cluster algorithm. Then we import the dataset. For now, we will separate the species column from rest of the dataset because we will use that for cross-checking our model at the end. There are no missing values. So now we move to the modeling phase. Before moving on to the modeling phase, in any clustering problem it is recommended that you first scale the data. But since here our data is already scaled, and as you can see this value of standard deviation is also very low, we will skip that part. I tried that on the notebook myself, but the quality of the model didn't improve, so we will skip that. Here I'm going to try different values of k from 1 to 8 on our model. Then we append the different values of inertia on the empty list that we formed called inertias, and we plot that inertias list to check the best value of k we can get. The lower the value of inertia, the better it is for our model, but we can't form too many clusters because that will just overfit our data. As we can see from this elbow curve, 3 would be our best bet as number of clusters, so we will form a model around that. Now our model is fitted. We will predict the value of the data set that we have and store it as labels. Here I am forming a cross tab between the labels, that is our predicted value, and species, that was the value that was provided to us on the data set. Here, as we can see, Iris setosa fits perfectly on label 0. Similarly, vesicular fits almost perfectly on the label 1, and there are some irregularities here. Okay, this here I'm extracting the value of the label 0, 1 and 2 on different species. Here is the scatter plot of our clusters, and this is the bar plot comparing how we got our predicted value and the value that we already had in the column species. Thank you.